Hey everyone, in this video we will explore the date slicer in Power BI, and let's go to the Power BI file I've got. So I've got this file here open with me, and I have uploaded this file to GitHub, and I'll leave a link to that file in the video notes so you can download the file and do the tutorial along with me. So here in this dashboard I've got the sales data, and you can see that the sales data is sliced by different dimensions on different visuals. So for example, the one on the top left slices it by the product, the second one is by geography, the third one is, so there's one which does it by year, and the fourth one is by country name again. So there are different visuals, and let's say I want to slice or see how the sales have been over different years, and I want to use a date slicer. So let's start. So what I'll do is I'll click on the slicer, and let me just move this on the top right, and I'll make this slightly smaller, and I'll increase the length. And what I'll do is, so the date dimension is the one which is linked to all these. It is a common dimension for all the visuals. So for this one, I'll just click on full date or alternate key, which is basically which contains the date field, and you can see that it is showing from 2005 to 2014 onwards. But you can also see that I've got data for 2013, 2011, 2012, and what's 2014 again. So I've got 2011 to 2014 data here. So what let's just move this date slicer, and you will see nothing is going to happen till so if we move it till 2009, because there's no data that exists. But the moment we start bringing it onwards from 2013, you can see that the values are changing. And I could move the one on the right hand side as well, and you can see that the visuals are changing as I change the slicers. And I could also change this slicer. There are multiple options. So one is I could just clear it and see all the data, or I could just say between is what we were looking at. You could have before, you could have after. So let's say after is, let me just click on after, and it says any date after 2005. So it basically, and similarly for before, any date before a certain date. I'll clear this out. And what you can also do is you can select a drop down or a list. So this is a list. This has become a drop down now, and you can go and explore what the relative option will do. So I hope you find this video useful, and just a visual around, it's just a video around how to use the date slicer in Power BI. It's a very powerful slicer, or the slicer becomes a really powerful thing when you sort of slicing via dates. I hope, yeah, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.